It all starts with a simple idea. What if you only had $10? Could you turn that into something more? In the world of stock trading, small seeds grow into big trees. This isn't about magic or luck. It's about cleverness and patience. The $10 challenge proves you don't need a mountain of cash to begin. You need a plan, making smart choices, and watching your $10 note grow. This journey is hopeful, filled with ups and downs. The real prize isn't just money, it's learning something new. It's about proving that with brain power, even the smallest can play in the big leagues. So let's imagine we have that $10 note. We're not throwing it at the first shiny thing. We are methodical, patient, like detectives solving a puzzle. This is the beginning of our grand day out in trading, starting with a $10 dream. Some think trading is like gambling, but it's not. True trading is a game of skill, not luck. Imagine baking a cake. You need a recipe, not random ingredients. A skillful trader doesn't guess. They study and understand their choices. Luck might give you a win, but skill is something you build. A skillful trader learns from mistakes and gains control. As we start our $10 adventure, we're leaving luck at the door. We're here to be smart, like chess players thinking ahead. We will look at companies, see their potential, and decide wisely. We'll read charts as stories predicting the future. This is a game of wits, and we're ready to work. Skill is our tool, and we're prepared for the challenge. We are not here to gamble, we are here to succeed. With skill, we can make informed decisions. We will analyze, strategize, and execute our plan. Trading is about being clever, not lucky. Let's embark on this journey with skill as our guide. With our $10 ready, we begin by not rushing in. We find a broker that allows small trades, even fractional shares. This means our $10 can buy a piece of a big company. We can't buy everything, so we choose wisely. We look for steady, reliable companies, like those making essentials. We read, research, and understand their business. After much thought, we make our first move. We invest $5 in a solid technology company. We keep the other $5 safe, diversifying our investment. Now, we wait patiently, not checking prices constantly. We trust our plan and let the market work. We made a careful, planned decision. We did our research and now let it grow. This is how you trade with a small amount, carefully and thoughtfully. We are patient like gardeners waiting for seeds to sprout. Our $10 dream is taking its first careful steps. We are ready for the journey ahead. Not every plan works perfectly. Stocks can tumble. Imagine your $5 investment drops to $4.50. Panic is the worst reaction. Instead, review your plan. If the company is still strong, a small dip isn't a disaster. Selling in panic is like discarding your umbrella in rain. We invested wisely, keeping $5 safe. A small loss is manageable, not catastrophic. Losing a little is part of the game. Wins should outweigh losses. Bouncing back from a tumble makes you a stronger trader. After patience, something wonderful happens. We invested in a clean energy company with our other $5. Big news hits. A country plans to build windmills, and our company is a supplier. The stock price leaps, doubling our investment. This wasn't luck. It was careful planning and patience. Our $10 fund grows, wiping out previous losses. We have more choices for our next move. This success proves our method works. By being careful, researching, and managing risks, we achieve great things. It wasn't one lucky break. It was smart decisions. Anyone can do this with curiosity and patience. With the right attitude, a small start becomes a success story.